Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Klarna on eBay. First, open the eBay website or launch the eBay app on your phone. Sign in to your eBay account if you are not already logged in. After that, search for the item you want to buy. Keep in mind that Klarna may only be available for eligible products and orders, so not every listing will support Klarna payments. Once you find the item you want, add it to your cart. You can continue shopping if you want to purchase multiple items. After everything is added, go to your cart and click on Proceed to checkout. Now you will arrive at the payment section. Here you will see the available payment methods for your order. If Klarna is available for the purchase, you will see Klarna listed as one of the payment options. Select Klarna to continue. After selecting Klarna, eBay will show different payment plans that may include pay in 4 or monthly financing options. Choose the payment plan that works best for you. Next, you will be redirected to Klarna. Log into your Klarna account, or create one if you do not already have an account. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the payment authorization. Once approved, your order will be confirmed on eBay. That is how you can use Klarna on eBay for flexible payments and easier shopping. Thanks for watching.